I'm Jess, and this is my wildlife biology class with Mrs. Gilson, and this is our ball python. She's a female, and she's pretty old. She's small for her age, but this is the first year we've gotten snakes and reptiles. We've done some other stuff with other animals like the salmon and stuff, but it was real interesting because I personally am into snakes, and I kind of talked our teacher into it. This guy is part of the python family. He's a constrictor, so if you look, he holds on to me. And these guys are pretty known for being pretty docile. He's not too much of a harm to anybody, but he's our little buddy. But it's pretty interesting because, you know, when we first got these, you could see, you could definitely tell who was afraid of snakes and who wasn't afraid of snakes. And a lot of people get misconceptions about them and think they're evil and slimy and gross, but as you can tell, it's pretty dry and doesn't seem like it's biting me yet. Really, the only thing she's concerned about is staying warm and secure, so as long as you feed her and keep her warm, then you're all right.
This semester we mainly come in here to take care of the fish and the snakes, and this is one of the snakes we have. This is a gopher snake. She's, really thin. She's pretty active. She gets a little crazy sometimes, but kind of just study a bunch of different animals. We've been learning about the different types of birds that we have, not just in Michigan, but just kind of all over, like owls. And the other day we had somebody come in that brought in a falcon, an owl, and a turkey vulture, just to kind of line up with what we're studying right now with the types of birds and everything that we have. Well, personally, I like snakes, so it was really nice to have something that, you actually like in the building with you that you can take care of. And since, there's only a few of us that are really interested in the snakes, so we mainly come in and take care of them and feed them, so.
All right, I'm Pearson Riley. These are our Chinook salmon, and this is my wildlife biology class. We got these salmon at around Thanksgiving time this last year. They hatched at around Christmas time, and we are keeping them until around April or maybe May, until we release them back into the wild and to help preserve the salmon population in Michigan. We've done this for about 2 years now. Last year was our first year doing this. It's quite interesting seeing them grow up, and we learned a lot about how difficult raising salmon can be with keeping the temperature at cool 47 degrees. And it's certain feeding, keeping the nitrogen levels down. They're one handful for a small fish. They're pretty interesting once they get to be a lot bigger. They grow very rapidly in the last month that we have them. They get up to about 3 inches each instead of the little 1.5 inch that they are currently at. Besides that, their attraction to all the kids in school, they love to come tap on the glass, as all kids love to do. Everyone always wants to feed them or clean out the water, but besides that, they are just a part of the little CHS family.